subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched two new smartphones under Edge series in China called Motorola Edge S30 and Edge X30. Among these two, the Motorola Edge X30 is the higher variant with latest Qualcomm's chipset. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola Edge X30 features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and both the front and rear panel of the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge X30 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup and elliptical module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with OmniVision 50A sensor, plus another 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 114° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has 60MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and there is also special edition phone that comes with hidden under display camera. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 68W fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with MIUI 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.56 by 75.95 by 8.49mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola Edge X30 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,199 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,399 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 3,599 Chinese yuan, and there is also special edition which is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from December 15th in black and pearl white color options. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge X30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.